I got the viral Christmas train set and it's even more beautiful in real life. I have to say that this is actually bigger than I thought it would be, and the details on it are so beautiful. It reminds me of those Christmas train sets that run around the Christmas tree in all the movies that I've ever watched. You can change the track size and shape by adding or removing different pieces, and the train runs on its own as well. Just look how beautiful this is, and yes, it has a great price too. I'm linking it below, go and snatch it, it will make the perfect Christmas gift.